If you're waiting until your slow season to finally build that new website, here's what you can be doing right now while you're deep in busy season that will make your site convert better later. Because your next great website doesn't start in your builder, it starts with the things you're doing in your business right now. First up is collecting testimonials. While you're working with clients and their experience is fresh on their mind, you want to get their words. You want more, though, than just, it was great, I loved it. You want something that is a little more visceral. What was it like before they worked with you? What's it been like after? What's the transformation that they received from that? You can ask leading questions to help get those words out of them, but pull those into clean testimonials that you can use later on your website. Those will be so helpful for helping other people see what it was really like. Number 2 is finding your business sweet spot. I want you to notice which projects or clients made you say, oh my gosh, I wish every project felt like this, and which ones didn't. Which ones do you not want to work on again? That's your direction for your new site. Your website should reflect the kind of work and the people you want more of, not just everything you've done. When your design and copy lean into your favorite projects, your site naturally attracts more of those dream clients. Number 3, share how you work. Take those photos and short clips of your process, your workspace, your notes, your client calls, or even your coffee-fueled brainstorms. Those behind-the-scenes moments help you show your process and your personality on your About or your Service pages. People connect with how you do what you do, not just the finished result. Number 4, inspiration. Don't wait until your slow season to start collecting ideas. Start while you're inspired by your work. And don't limit yourself to Pinterest boards or template sites. Maybe it's the colors on a thank you card you just got in the mail, the typeface on a new coffee shop sign, or how a piece of art makes you feel. Keep a folder or a creative notes album on your phone. When you're ready to build your site, you'll have the real-world inspiration that helps your site feel authentic, not cookie cutter. Number 5, speak client language. The best website copy comes from your clients' mouths. Listen to the words they use to describe what they need or what they loved about your work. That's your messaging gold. Sprinkle their phrases throughout your site so when someone new lands on it, they instantly feel, yep, this is for me. They feel seen, they feel like you totally get them because you're using the words of past clients there. Number 6, showcase your best. As you wrap up projects, save screenshots, before and afters, or notes about what made them special. Create a portfolio-ready folder now so you're not digging later. A well-curated portfolio makes your DIY site feel more professional and helps visitors quickly see your expertise. And then number 7, evergreen content gold. I want you to look back at your recent social posts or marketing moments, the ones that got great engagement or sparked conversations. Those are gold mines for your website. Turn those short posts into blog content, FAQs, or service page sections that go deeper. You've already tested what resonates. Now let's expand it into long-form content that builds trust and drives traffic all year long. Every small step you take now is setting you up for a smoother, more strategic website build later. So when slow season hits, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from momentum. If you're ready to start planning your DIY site the right way, grab my website planner. It'll help you outline your pages, organize your ideas, and design with strategy, not just aesthetics. You can download it using the link in the description below. It's at dearkatebrandstrategy.com/planner.